Ladies and gentlemen, dear friends, I'm very sad not being able to be with you today, but unfortunately I have to stay in Bern for a committee in the parliament. Anyway, I'm very glad to have the opportunity to address to you a few words for the opening of the Geneva Forum 2023. First of all, I would like to thank the organizers, of course, for this very important forum. It is important because it is more than ever necessary to analyze and discuss the situation of the human rights in the region under Chinese authority. A situation of the human rights that is clearly becoming more and more preoccupying as increasing reports of human rights abuses in China are published. Tibetans, Uyghurs, but also political opponents, social leaders, or environmental activists are the victims of the autocratic Chinese regime that do not hesitate anymore to openly contest the international order and law. As member of the parliamentary and co-president of the Tibetan-Switzerland Interparliamentary Group, I'm deeply concerned by this situation. All the more so as this situation is tending even to get worse. That's why our parliamentary group is working hard to make Switzerland being more engaged towards supporting the Tibetans and all minorities here in Switzerland and in the regions under Chinese authority. In the name of the parliamentary group Tibet Switzerland, I would like to warmly thank you for your contribution and your involvement for more human rights respect in China. It's only the addition of all our actions that may bring respect, freedom, and protection to all the populations in the region. You can count on me and on the parliamentary group for that. Thank you very much. Have a fruitful forum in Geneva, and long live le Tibet. Thank you very much.